The United States has imposed significant sanctions on Russia's largest oil companies, Rosneft and Lukoil, in response to the ongoing conflict in Ukraine and stalled negotiations with President Putin. These measures are intended to exert economic pressure on Moscow, marking a decisive move in the geopolitical landscape. The sanctions come amid heightened tensions and have implications for global energy markets and defense alliances. In a strategic move to enhance its AI infrastructure, the U.S. Air Force is offering over 3,000 acres of federal land for private sector AI data centers. This initiative aims to bolster technological capabilities and support advancements in AI, reflecting the growing importance of artificial intelligence in defense and national security. China has announced new export controls on rare earth elements, aiming to restrict their use in foreign military systems. This move is part of China's strategy to safeguard national security and could have significant implications for global supply chains, particularly in the defense sector, where these materials are critical. Turning to the markets, AeroVironment, ticker symbol AVAV, has secured a $95.9 million contract to supply the U.S. Army with next-generation counter-UAS missiles. This contract underscores advancements in drone defense technology and has contributed to a 5.83% decline in the company's stock price, which closed at $355.18. Amphenol Corporation, ticker symbol APH, saw its stock rise by 3.61% to $128.93. The company's upward momentum is supported by macroeconomic factors, including China's export controls on rare earth elements, which are crucial for Amphenol's electronic components. Kratos Defense and Security Solutions, ticker symbol KTOS, unveiled a new low-cost cruise missile system, Ragnarok, designed to enhance tactical strike capabilities. Despite this innovation, the stock fell by 6.97% to $84.30, reflecting cautious investor sentiment amid broader market pressures. Lockheed Martin, ticker symbol LMT, experienced a slight decrease of 0.40% in its stock price, closing at $487.14. The company has made a strategic investment in Venus Aerospace, a startup developing a rotating detonation rocket engine, which could have applications in hypersonic missiles. For investors, today's actionable takeaways: 1. Monitor U.S. sanctions on Russia for energy and defense market impacts. 2. China's rare earth controls may affect supply chains. Watch related stocks. 3. AI infrastructure expansion offers growth opportunities in defense tech.